What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We've got some interesting information related to Shibarium. So Shytoshi just tweeted this morning. We're going to talk about what that tweet reads and what we think it means, because that's always the second step once we actually read the tweet from Shytoshi, trying to break it down and trying to see what exactly it all means. So this is what he's saying. Saying here what I just said in the main TG chat or Telegram chat, which he put in then in parentheses, overrun by fudders and shadow cats. What's happened here, real quick before we continue to read on his tweet, what's happened here, there are a lot of people that are, basically saying SHIB is dead and it's over. Here's the real big issue. People don't have a long enough time horizon on these type of investments. They want to get rich quick. They're looking for reasons just to FUD and hate on others. And it's a shame, but it exists, right? It exists in every different community, especially a community like SHIB that's so big. You're going to have some of that. So you have to deal with that. And I think Shytoshi does a pretty good job dealing with such. But he says, go enjoy Valentine's Day. Tomorrow is my first of a series of mediums introducing the world to Shibarium will be released. Okay, so it was kind of a run-on sentence a little bit. He says, go enjoy V-Day tomorrow. My first of a series of mediums introducing the world to Shibarium will be released. What I'm thinking he's saying is Shibarium's going to be released in different phases through these medium articles, talking about the various phases and stages that are out for development and the ones that are still coming. He says the bow fit nicely, but I'm not releasing anything until SHIB dev forever is healthy, right? So that is a dev of Shiba Swap. So that is kind of where we're at on the front. Appreciate you guys as always for stopping back by the channel. We'll see you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.